To get started with using your Coinspot card, first ensure you have a verified Coinspot account and have ordered your card through the Coinspot platform. Once you receive your card, activate it by following the prompts in the Coinspot app or website. You will need to set a PIN for your card, which should be a unique 4-digit number that you can easily remember. Make sure to keep your PIN secure and do not share it with anyone. After activation, you can load funds onto your card using your Coinspot account. This can be done by transferring Australian dollars or cryptocurrency from your Coinspot wallet to your card. The funds will then be available for you to use at merchants that accept EFT POS or online where Visa is accepted. When making a purchase, simply swipe or insert your card and enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. For online purchases, enter your card details as you would with any other Visa card. It is essential to keep track of your card balance and transaction history, which can be accessed through the Coinspot app or website. This will help you stay on top of your spending and ensure that your card is being used securely. As a best practice, make sure to regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity and report it to Coinspot immediately. Additionally, always keep your card and PIN secure, and never share your card details with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your Coinspot card for everyday purchases, both online and in-store. Remember to always prioritize the security of your card and account to get the most out of your Coinspot card.